Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this session of video in which we are showing you how we can use Microsoft Excel for tracking of Qada Salah, mid Salah, clear your backlog of before it's too late. Right. So the Salat is the main pillar of Islam, of our religion. So it needs a due care and carelessness in the case of Salah and other things which are mandatory for Muslims. It's not going to help neither in this world nor in the hereafter. So let's add some values to our this worksheet which we have made to remind us to keep track of uh, our progress of performing the Miss Salah and Qada Salah and clearing of this backlog, right? So as soon as we open it, make sure that until yesterday all the Salats have been performed because I have made the Tawbah and I I, I am not missing the Salah anymore with the help of Allah. Inshallah. Okay, so how about the Salat which I have missed? Yes, I have done the Tawbah, but I have to pray them. So slowly, steadily, slow and steady, he wins the race. So we will achieve the target that this overdue becomes zero and these two figures become equal, right? So let's double click and it's going to, as you see that it comes up with a graph as soon as it shows you the first available line where you got to enter it. Okay, so let's see that what would happen if someone deletes this graph, huh? What would happen? Huh? So it should be like that an accidental deletion should recreate it automatically. Yeah. So let's record a macro and create this graph. So for this, I'm going to record the macro. I'm sorry, I'm going to record the macro. Yeah. And the macro will be recreate the chart. Recreate my chart. My chart. Okay. So this is the what we are going to do. The first thing it should do is come to the this point and select these two rows. This is for sure it should be doing, right? The next thing it should do is go to the insert and insert the chart. That is this the pie chart, and I take this student chart, 2D chart, right? Okay. The next thing I'm supposed to do is here is bring it in front of me. Okay. And uh, this is fine. Now I write the title. And the title I will write uh, Miss Salat tracking. Oh, status. Status. Okay. So that was the due. This is what it has been prayed, and this is what it is overdue, right? That's fine. So we want to show the labels. So we say add labels. So labels are added. That's it. So this is what we need to do. And the chart is recalled after deletion, right? So what we say that we stop what we do next, we stop the recording and what we do, uh, we go to the macro, we go to the view code in here, and with here it is what it plays the chart, right? How many days this is in there. As soon as it double clicks on it, it brings the chart. It does the chart placement, right? So before chart placement or in the chart placement, uh, we should call this macro. Okay. Okay. So we will stop in here and we delete this chart immediately. And then we do, say, for example, yeah, here we do the double click. So it is now trying to place the chart, which is already deleted. Fair enough. So let's go to this chart placement chart and And here it will not find any chart object. It will go out. It will go out. So we start with a counter, chart counting, that how many charts. Chart count is equal to 0. Okay. And the next we will say chart count is equal to chart count is equal to chart count plus 1. Plus 1. Why we are doing this? We are doing, or there is a purpose of doing it, right? That when it is not finding any chart, so it will be 0. So we press, it goes in and it will be 0. It is a zero. So here we can find if the chart count is equal to 0, is equal to 0, then what to do? Then create my chart. That's it. Create my chart. And what is the right spelling? Let's see. Recreate my chart. Not create. It is recreate my chart. Okay. So let's say recreate my chart. Yeah. It has taken it. Yeah. So it will recreate. The chart will be recreated. So let's start right from here. This time it will find that count. Count. It's count. If chart count. Chart count. Okay. If chart count is equal to 0, wait. Yes, it is 0. So it is now going to perform the recreate chart. And soon after recreation, it will do the chart placement. It will do the chart placement control. That's it. Okay. So let's see what does it do in the recreate chart. It does all the things which we have done to create the chart, and it has created. You can see it has created the chart now. Okay. But it has not put any labels. Why it has not put any labels? Okay. These were the links, and so we have to find it out. The labels and the heading, etc., is not coming. Okay, so what we got to do? We got to do a redo in here. Okay, we do it right there. We delete this. We delete this, and here we will start. Okay. So it is going to recreate. So here we will say that we will move this on error. In case of any error, it should not go to 0. Okay? It should not do the next. This is the terminator of on error resume next, right? So that might be causing the problem. So here, what we do here is we do it, redo it like, and now it is going to do that recreate chart. Okay, it has selected this, that's fine. It has put a this, and this is what it has done. Okay, so this was the error which was not shown due to the error clause. Okay, so it says that the item is not found. Okay, the chart 3, this is always the chart name. Yeah? So the chart name has to be used here. What we do here, the chart name shapes, and this is this, and okay. So what we do here, we pick the chart name in a variable. So CHRT is equal to what we do here. Active sheet, this is shapes, active chart dot name. Shapes. We say active chart, yeah. We say active chart dot name. That's it. Active chart dot name. So let me check it out. If it gets, yeah, the chart name comes in here. That's right. That's what I was supposed to do. Okay. So this is actually now chart 5. Okay. So Salat chart 5. This is the Salat chart 5 is the chart name. Okay, active sheet, this shape, active chart. Okay, and this is the shape, and you can see that shape. Okay, the current shape must be having some name. Let me try it. CHART. So this is the Salah, and here it must be addressing certain source. Okay, let's press F8. That's fine. And here we put chart. We use this variable in here, CHRT. Okay, so we have removed this hard coding from it, CHRT. Okay, and this is. Here, let's press F8. Okay, so it is now causing the fire. This is the chart. Chart 5. I think it is to be taken from the chart. If we use chart 5 here, will it take? I believe it will. What it is trying to locate is the chart 5, not Salat chart 5. Okay. Let's press F8. Yes. So what we do here, we remove the Salat from in here. Okay. Replace, and we say expression is this. Okay, and here we write what to find. Find Salat space, yeah. And what to replace with null. That's it. So this will bring the chart 5 in it, and so we can use now the variable CHRT. Okay. So let's start from here. Wait. So this is the chart 5 now. And now the chart name will resolve. This error has been resolved. And that's it. And the chart title is written, and the chart title text is written, Miss Salat, that's right. This is right. And this is right. That's fine. It's all okay. This alles klar. The German brothers say alles klar. Alles is all not. Right? Okay. So this is how we have addressed the issue. We save it and we run it. So you see the chart is here already. Now it is supposed to bring this to the right position. So what we do, we double click anywhere, so it will get the chart placement in the right position. Okay. This is the chart placement. That's it. So it has brought you to the right position here. Okay. So this is how we have added a new value in our system that would make sure that if in case of any accidental deletion of this chart, the system will automatically recreate it, right? And now here we enter our performance. So we double click on the first available row here, and we put 5. How many days? 5 days is my means number of days which I perform within every daily, right? So on 12th of July, it's well done. The figures are updated, chart is updated, and this. So Alhamdulillah. So to keep our motivation level high, we got to supplicate to Allah. We got to get near to Quran, to pay attention to Quran, to attend the gathering with ulama and mashayikh, the scholars, listen the good things and try to practice. And this nasheed is one of the source which can help you to be steadfast. And I have included some translations in it. You can use your own translations which you want. Just you change it. What does it do? It updates this cell, and it tells you that, and then it tells the system that from to where to get there. So it is telling that go to the second column and bring the translation, right? And if you click in here on English, so it is telling to it that go to the third column and bring the translations, right? So this is how it is there. So إذا ما قالني ربي أما استحييت تأسيني. Do listen to this nasheed on this available on this URL. You would love to listen it again and again. And so I have offered you some translations in here as well. I hope that would be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching.